This is Kellen with Mountains of Sound. I'm in a kitchen here, so I'm gonna show everybody something pretty important. So around water sources like a kitchen sink, bathrooms, laundry rooms, you wanna make sure that there is a GFCI at the countertop here. So we plug our little tester in. We can see here it's grounded and everything, so that looks good. Then we hit the test button, and it should trip that outlet to cut the power. And then if it's done right, it should be on the same circuit as another outlet near the kitchen sink here. So you can plug that in and we can see there's no power there. So both of these are on the same circuit, which is good. So then we can just reset that. It's got power, it's grounded. Go back to this one. It's got power, it's grounded as well. So GFCIs, just another important thing that we look at in the home here. Just make sure that you do have that protection near any water sources like a kitchen sink, a bathroom sink, and laundry room sinks. And that's all I got, so thanks for watching.